You have to take it.
I bring it.
So you actually now how does it you are abdomen
Present continuous tense. Listen, sir, as I told you past continuous tense, sir. This tense is used to talk about an action that is in the progress in the past. In the past. Listen, sir, whenever you are talking about the past continuous tense, it means that this action was in the progress in the past. For instance, I was playing cricket. I was playing cricket. So it's mean that yes, correct? Let me take another.
stand up and take a class.
Sorry for it. Okay, past continuous tense. This tense is used to talk about an action which is in the progress in the past. Which is in the progress in the past. On the listen is I told you that we also use while and when and past continuous tense. We also use while and when in past continuous tense. Okay, before that I want to teach you class. What is class? Class, a group of words which has subject and verb, sometimes duos complete meaning, sometimes duos incomplete meaning. Is called class. If you come to the class, if you come to the class, okay, class really has two types, dependent class and independent class. I thought this topic too much class, so one is called dependent class, one is called independent class. Dependent class, it gives another sentence, another statement, it cannot stand alone. For instance, if you come to the class, so this is called a dependent class. It needs another statement. Yes, it needs another statement. Otherwise, we won't know that if you come to the class, so what does it mean? If you come to the class, does it give us complete meaning? No, it is not. So if you come to the class, you will learn English. You can learn English. So it is called dependent class, and the next word was you learn English. So this is called independent class. So dependent class needs a independent class. Dependent class does not give meaning itself. Now dependent class बोले पक्का हमारी meaning कराएगा.
Yes, sir.
Dependent class का this is for the full sentence. The independent class of the Shivya Zarurya. If you come to the class, that's Shivya class here. Dependent class. You can learn English. The English is the college here. The independent class is everything raketana. So this is called independent class. Listen to us. While and when we use in past continuous tense. While I was eating dinner, my father listen to us. One is called result class, one is called result class. Yes? Result class. Okay, just leave it. Leave it. Listen to us. When I was eating dinner, जब मैं खाना खा रहा था, चलमा रोटी पड़ा, my father called me. Listen to us, I need quotation. When I was playing cricket, जब मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा था, तब तुम फिर से. When I was eating dinner. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Listen, past continuous tense it is also used to talk about an action which is in the progress in the past, but it was interrupted by happening in another action. Listen, past continuous tense, any quotation. This tense is used to talk about an action which is in the progress in the past. This is not another definition. Okay, this is another uses of past continuous tense. So this tense is used to talk about an action which is in the progress in the past, but it was interrupted by happening in another action. So this is it means that when I was eating dinner, जब मैं खाना खा रहा था, so this action was interrupted by happening in another action. So action particular already. My father called me. So the action particular interrupted. My father called me. हम मार्च को लो मारोते पढ़े थे मार्च को लो that called you. The action that's जारी हो interruption मुदाखला करते हो. मुदाखला किसी ने मुदाखला शुरू चिंबड़े So while I was eating dinner, my father called me. While I was eating dinner, my father called me. Okay, next example is while I was driving a car, I saw an accident. I was driving. Okay, listen to it. We don't know that this action was continuous anymore or not. jadi mun tabbatar ne lagi shiga da jari shi o kana ko da pass ki jari wo interrupt lo kadam interrupt lo but I have taken another action jumla action का क्या है मुझे da shi lo listen while I was eating dinner जब मैं खाना खा रहा था my father called me मेरे वाले ने क्या किया मुझे कॉल किया listen to it when we use while at the beginning of our statement listen to it while we use with past continuous tense and when we use with a simple past tense. This is called simple past tense. Do you know simple past tense?
Yes, sir.
A simple past tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. Past indefinite tense. Yes, Kaisa. Yes, listen here. Sylvia, what's simple past tense? Just tell me definition in English. Define it in English. Okay, finish in the past in exact time. Outstanding, superb. So simple past tense, this tense is used to talk about an action which is started in the past and finished in the past in exact time. Listen, whenever we want to use when in past continuous tense, so after when we use the simple past tense, when my father called me, I was eating listen. While we use with past continuous tense, we use with the simple past tense. Listen to the whenever we use while and when at the beginning of a statement, so we have to use comma at the middle of this sentence. We have to use comma. We have to use comma. Listen. While and when we complete a statement, so after that statement, we will use comma. After that statement, we will use a comma. While I was eating dinner, my father called me. So here, why did I use comma? Because of while. We use while at the beginning of a statement. Next answer, when. When my father called me, so why did I use comma here? Because I used the when at the beginning. Listen, if I use it at the middle of a statement, for instance, my my father my father called me my father called me while while I was
Using,
while I was
using the smartphone.
while I was eating dinner.
I was watching the video.
While I was eating dinner. Listen, Shastra. Do you know that I didn't use comma here because I used while at the middle of a statement. So my father called me. My father called me while I was eating dinner. While I was eating dinner. Next time, listen, Shastra. When I use me at the middle of a statement, so I do not use comma. Listen, for example, I was eating dinner. I was no. With my father, I was eating dinner with my father called. Any problem? Any problem regarding to this topic?
So the next time we use the guy,
Listen, sir. We understand what this topic is. For instance, करना simple method with simple past tense चले करना वो condition भी देखिए यो चीज़ वो simple definition is चले करना this tense is used to talk about a condition which is in the progress right in the past simple past tense अगर तो वो जो past tense की भी जारी है वो बिल्कुल के वो use से चले करना simple past tense past continuous tense जारी है और आगे से ही interrupt किया और interrupt का मतलब वो दाखिला कर दिया by helping another action आगे की बदल action कर दिया for example while I was eating dinner my father called me tomorrow के ऊपर that interrupt लो कोई समान interrupt लो चला understand let's come more the book okay Abdullah, yes? We are in number 4. In number 4. There is nothing, okay? There is nothing. Whatever I taught to my students, I just teach it again. I just taught it again. Understand? Presentation number 9. Presentation number 9. Interaction. When? Listen to answer. When chile can when? When chile का simple past tense से इस्तेमाल हो और why chile को past continuous tense से इस्तेमाल हो. Look at the first one statement. Look at the first one statement. I said you have to shake your logo, isn't it? Look at the first one statement. Look at the verb. We were eating dinner in the hotel when somebody yelled 5. When somebody yelled 5. What does it mean? Furkan? We were eating dinner in the hotel. When somebody yelled. Yelled मदद के लिए पुकारना. Yelled मदद के लिए पुकारना. Chala awas ko na mother dapat. Yun sa tawaya, mother kanya ukama. Okay, fire. Fire sa tawaya. Over lagi dali. Fire. Somebody yelled fire. Sa lagi dali dia. Over lagi dali.
Fire they can set the fire.
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 FIRE. Then the statement about it. Fire does something, huh? Statement only about it. No one hurry up. The rest of the sentence read by yourself. None of the read showers. Hurry up. Read it. Come on, hurry up. Read the statements. Showers. Left your hand on the sentence.
with wind.
हाँ kada win sir bunga statement जोड़ा kada statements तो जुमली था वो यार कोई win sir statement जोड़ किया win bunga simple past tense है इस्तेमाल हुआ
Wind माना सर.
win जब बरखा we were eating dinner in the hotel मंगा रोटे खोला पर होटल के मंगा रोटे खोला जब somebody किसी ने आवाज किया yelled fire और लगे You can say more. Do you understand?
Wind repeat.
Good job. Arrive means Omanchna. Arrive means Omanchna. You have to write vocabulary from there. What is an vocabulary? Let's move on. Page number 44. Page number 44. Scale meaning number 10. Scale meaning number 10. Read the action from the page. Scale meaning number 10. Read the action. Good. Listen to us, sir. Change each sentence to the past continuous tense. Munga dalani chikan sentence ida wo past continuous tense tarawa sakawa change kawa. Pehla was istemal wo when the reporters got to the hotel. Chikala reporters sata hoya. खबरियात तो होया चिकला खबरियात जाते कौन से दिला उनके तरह लेकिन the first statement example number 1 तो बोलिए example number 1 तो बोलिए a lot of people watched the fire बोल खा listen
Yes, sir.
look at the first statement तो बोलिए when the reporters got to the hotel a lot of people were watching the fire a lot of people were watching the fire look at the first statement if you get it for you the rest you have to make by yourself look at the first one a doctor helped some people with bad burns listen when the reporters got to the hotel a doctor was helping with bad burns. Outstanding, superb, good job. Gulhan, listen, when the reporters got to the hotel, a doctor was helping some people with bad burns. It is a piece of cake. That's known as. Look at the next one sentence. Two number two. Gulhan, dito lang may lang kasi istimal ko. Huh? Gulhan, listen. Told this statement na pehla basi istimal ho when the reporters got to the hotel. Two number statement to bolya when the reporters got to the hotel a firefighter was climbing a ladder. Gulhan, firefighter singular there. Firefighter singular there. A firefighter was climbing a ladder. समझ लो क्यों करते मीनिंग दिया firefighter तो भैया अब the rest statement maybe because the none of the
The fire.
A firefighter climbed a ladder.
Later,
Do you understand? Listen. Push there. Burhan. A firefighter climbed a ladder. Such the circumstance there. Huh? Circumstance there. Simple past tense देखना. A firefighter climbed a ladder. The past continuous tense से क्या वो?
Just as
listen.
just as
A firefighter was climbing a ladder. When the reporters got to the hotel, a firefighter was climbing a ladder. That was the past continuous tense.
Arjun. Smoke come from beyond.
Listen, sir. And you are smoke came from the window. There was a past continuous tense is over. Huh? Simple past tense देखना. Smoke was coming from the window. Simple past tense मानते वाले लोग हैं. जिन्हें पहले दे इस्तेमाल पे. When the reporters got to the hotel, the smoke was coming from the window. Smoke was coming from the window. Let's move on. Listen, sir. The rest of example you practice on it at home. Understand? Presentation number 11. Presentation number. Past continuous tense. Question. Look at the statement. Look at the first statement. Presentation number 11. Presentation number 11. Past continuous question. Somebody is here. Who was rescuing the guest? Listen to us.
What was
The firefighter. The firefighter. Rescuing से तो भैया बच को मदद कर. गुरहा rescuing से तो ये मदद के लिए या बच करना. गुरहा who के person the पारिस वाला हुआ. To who was rescuing the guest? Yes तो भैया. What does it mean guest? मेहमान क्या बच को लगा? Okay. What was coming from the windows? Windows Smoke was coming from the window. Were doctors helping people with burns? Yes? Yes, doctors were helping. Yes? Was people with burns. Understand? Because the trauma help for you. Burns is the way you journey. Next time, sir. Was a photographer taking pictures? Yes, yes, he was taking a picture. Yes. Skill meaning number 12. Skill meaning number 12. Okay, redirection.
Still building number 12. Make masters, useful and sellers in skill building 10.
Skill meaning number 10. Listen to us how we did practice in skill meaning number 10. So skill meaning number 10 can just practice go. Anas practice go here. What a lot of people watching the fire. A lot of people watch the fire. This is the question you can what a lot of people watching the fire.
Yes, a lot of people watching.
Yes.
A lot of people watching.
A lot of people watching the building.
Watching
A
the
lot of people
fire.
watching.
Watching. A lot of people was watching the fire. Past continuous tense के response आता है. Understand the rest you have to do my yourself. ना हम पढ़ो के बाद. तो question हम जोड़ के command करते हैं. Presentation number 13. Presentation number 13. With the action. Contrast between past and past continuous tense. Listen to us. I need your attention.
Yes, sir.
Past simple past tense or past continuous tense मान लेते हैं Look at the first one statement. The fire started. So that must become tense. The fire started. Simple past tense. While cooks were preparing dinner.
Past continuous tense.
Preparing dinner for a private party.
Past continuous
Past
tense.
continuous. Shabbat the three pieces.
Fight the fight of war. Young guys bar.
This is a
Question a lot of people watch the fire. Were a lot of people watching the fire? Yes, a lot of people were watching the fire. Who was watching the fire? Fire Yes, the photographer was this the photographer was watching the fire. What were a lot of people watching? See Katala. A lot of people were watching fire. The past simple past tense or past continuous tense. Did you recognize that this statement is simple past tense and this statement is past continuous?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Let's move on. Skill meaning number 14. Skill meaning number 14. Interaction. Listen to us. Filling the blanks with the past or past continuous form of the verb. Listen to us. They have given us some blanks. They told us that you have to use the simple past tense and past continuous tense in the below blanks. So here we have to use the simple past tense, so we have to go for simple past tense. We have to use this past continuous tense, so in that place we will use the past continuous tense. So this is your homework tomorrow. I will check it. No. I will check it.
Then the control is
Huh? This word control. While I was eating dinner, my friend was playing cricket. While I was playing cricket, my friend was. While I was eating dinner, my friend was playing cricket. Kaya ka din natin tingnan. Marami pa rin daw mga cricket. Simple past tense में सिखा के past continuous tense में सिखा के person pilih itu boleh siapa? While while I was playing tennis. Playing tennis किस तरह दिया? While I was playing tennis. Huh? While I was playing cricket, while I was playing tennis, it started to rain. It started to rain. So I came home. Rest you are doing it by yourself. I don't know. Lisa brought a pencil while she was doing her homework. Wait a minute. Presentation number 15. Interaction. Empathic do. Somebody A4. Listen to us. If you remember yesterday, I taught this topic to you. What is empathic do? It will never work. Empathic do. When do we use empathic do? We use empathic do where it shows disagreement with the previous statement. It shows listen. For example, you didn't come to the class yesterday. No, sir. What are you saying? I didn't come to the class yesterday. I did come to the class yesterday. So here you are emphasizing the word base form. So this is what base form से क्या emphasize किए? No, sir. That's the how the available. So this is emphasize किया. You do not come to the class. तो class में क्या रहा? You are sir. You are wrong. I do come to the class. So this is empathic do. This is disagreement हो गया. Disagreement मतलब that समाज में सब राजी नहीं है. You do not come to the class. The class में राजी. No, sir. I do come to the Do you understand the word? Distance is used to show an action which is in the progress in the past. I was thinking that my days are counting in this world.
I'm coming to again. This is my parade.
No, that's because of your prayer. Because of your prayer.
This is because you have to go to America and you have to adopt our money.
Sabdala is why not come to the class?
Yes, they are not for the children.
Our children.
They indeed. because they lost a lot of
Rose,
matches.
Rose.
Hey, what's up? What are you? Like, can you introduce yourself? Come here.
Yes, sir, you did introduction.
Yes, I'm just good. Okay, just introduce yourself. Your name is Usman. Robert, boy. Chinese you are. Okay, your name is Usman. Usman, where do you live? Okay, did you learn something today? How was it? Spectacular, outstanding. Okay, yes, try to press for question.
I have a question, so can I ask you?
Yes, you can ask.
What is your dream country?
China.
Write your name and father name.
I like your my favorite country is Pakistan because I like it. For what do you like it? Like how are you not from here?
Why do you like this country?
What's that?
Okay, Usman, just leave it. What is your future goal? I want you to come and talk to your outstanding score. Okay, yes, Usman Khan, tell me, why do you want to learn English? Okay. Okay. It is crucial contact. Definitely. Okay, so Usman Khan, tell me that why we don't want to learn Arabic language? Once we got degree, so definitely an agent they will ask questions in Arabic language. And actually, if you don't know about Arabic language, so how do you respond to them?
What was wrong?
Do you have the same address? Do you have the same address and once you got degree? Once you pass
So what is your favorite food?
كم خلاف ثلث الشارع
once we pass away, indeed we believe it.
Yeah.
Once we pass away, it's going to be كل نفس ذائقة الموت. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. यो सिस्टम हमेशा से बात नहीं पड़ती है। सही मुझे लग रही है ये किसका करना? और हम बिलीव को
अल्लाह का हमेशा करेंगे।
हाँ?
अल्लाह के साथ हमेशा
इस तरह से मूवमेंट बारी को
You have a nice day.
Everyone is temple.
Yes, I told you before, yesterday I told you that learning that is your process. Listen to that to teach this is my responsibility and to learn this is
Nice responsibility.
to teach this is my responsibility and to learn this is your responsibility. So if you want to learn well and good, if you are just passing the time, this is just you're just wasting your own time. Not my one. Okay. If you quit this class, the last class, I'll find it most of it on Mr. Gabriel. Doesn't that these are last our good teacher for us? And that is how I'm stop the learning is going to stop the never stop your learning process in your whole life. Understand now? And those things what I said yesterday, just stand up. Stand up yesterday. Those things what I said yesterday. Sit down.
Yes on me.
He's short on me.
Yes.
No. Then other thing you forgot. You know what? It's short general. Okay, so if you don't mind paying fine.
You have
Anwar, Arya, Yaman, Muzaffar, Hafiz, Jawad, Zahir, Zahir, Salman, Ahmad, Afsar, Mansoor, Faizan, Safia, Aisha, Fatma, Ayan Khan, Ubaidullah, Abdullah,
Yes. Next week's Fatma.
Mohammed Zain, Stop talking. Don't make a fuss. Don't make a fuss. Stop talking. She is the star of this class. Yeah, she can you same fine here and pay. Bella, I said come here. Come here. Are you agreed that he will be the chair of this class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody is agreed. Yes, I agree with all of you.
I am agree with the class. Yes. Sarabila is perfect.
No. Stop talking. He is the chair of this class, so you have to accept his word. Whatever he says, so it means that he is following my order. If this is the same Ahmad Tas Kawya, but not that Tas the order number is the Zaman order. Zaman Kawya number. Whatever he says, that does the same Tas accept Kawya. So if fine na ka dima khabar ho sakte Kawya, you have to pay fine. Fine or so koi charge people are about fine pay. Understand now? Just look now for Allah class bahar kalima. Understand? So he is the chair of this class.
After you have to take a photo and share in your
Okay. Alfan और भी हम जिसको ठीक है
inshallah I will tell my on our
Sentence In hot water. For example, I am in hot water. It means that I am in trouble. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. It is very crucial. Select trouble की मुश्किल की है. तब हमने उसे search in hot water. तब हम
इसका मतलब दे
I am in hot water मतलब है कि I am in trouble.
मैं मुश्किल
Any question? Any question? Next answer, CEO. Next one.
वेद का
या पता नहीं या पता
पता ये कैसे प्लान का पता क्या करते
Yeah.
समझ ऐसा मतलब देखते देखते बात wow it's a very nice
मान सके यार जल तक ही नहीं जी